Hi YouTube, Richard again with another video. Okay, so quick video today. The idea of this video, no freezer, no problem. Okay, so the idea of this video came from me getting so many comments and Instagram direct messages about people saying that the freezer looks like a great idea, but it's super expensive. I can't afford that. So my reply back to them is always, good. You don't need a freezer to start with glass only repair. How? You leverage off a cell phone screen refurbishing company. So that's what today's video is going to be about. There are cell phone screen refurbishing companies that will do the work for you. All you have to do is send your cracked screens like this. It has to be a good working display screen, but just like cracked glass. You mail it off to them, they'll do the work for you, you get it back, and you can start offering glass only repair. So how does this work? You got to start collecting screens. So for instance, like let's say if somebody comes in with a Galaxy S8, and before I start, I'm going to give you prices too. Exact prices as of today, which is February 2nd, 2019, because 2 days ago I contacted a cell phone screen refurbishing company and they gave me accurate prices. I've actually done business with them, and not for this but for other things. I bought the freezer that I actually bought it from them, but in 2 weeks I'm gonna go fly over there and meet up with them about certain things. So okay, so how does this whole thing work? So let's say a customer comes in here with a cracked Galaxy S8 and the glass is only replaced. The glass only needs to be replaced. So what you do is you replace, instead of replacing their screen with like a display screen like this, you replace it with one with the frame. You replace it just like this. And this is why, because once again, you have to start collecting screens. So pretend this is an S8. They come in and you take the phone apart. What you do is you take the insides out of here, which is the battery, the motherboard, the charging port, the little cameras, and a couple of other things. You transfer it here into this screen with the frame, and then you seal it back up, put the back cover on with the screws and the glass, and then give them back their phone. You now end up with one of these that you can send off to a cell phone screen refurbishing company. Now you're not going to just send off only one. You're going to have to gather up around 10 of them or so, and that's how it starts. So you guys get that. You guys can do them with all the different Samsung phones. So this is what they charge. So for instance, I'm gonna explain how much money I charge in my shop. So I'm gonna give the difference of what the profits are if you actually have a freezer, and then if you're going this route, sending your screens off. Okay, so for a Galaxy S8, if you send your screen off to them, they will refurbish it for you for $60. Not bad. So in my shop, if somebody comes in and they need a glass only repair, I charge $175. The glass for me costs 14 bucks for an S8 glass. $175 minus $14 is my profit. Insane profits. But if you go the route of sending it off and then retreat and then you get it back, because when you get it back, it'll be a perfectly working screen just like this. You'll take the $175 minus the $60 that they charge, and that's your profit, which is what? It's $175 minus 60 is $115. $115 is really good profit, especially if you don't have to refurbish it yourself. The phone will probably only take like 30 minutes to fix. Okay, so here we go with the S8 Plus. Same deal. If you send your Galaxy S8 Plus cracked screens off to them, good LCD, remember that, they charge $80. So once again, me, since I have the freezer, it's $175 plus right now the S8 Plus glass only, the glass cost me 16 bucks. So $175 minus 16 bucks, do the math. The profit, okay, so the profit is $159. So once again, I have the freezer, I make insane profits, $159. So with the Galaxy S8 Plus, if you send it off to them, they charge $80. So for you, your profit would be, if you charge, you can charge whatever you want, right? But we're just going off of what I charge. $175 minus 80 bucks is $95 profit. Still not bad. You're saving a lot of time. You don't need to invest into the freezer right away, and you actually don't have to do any of the refurbishing process. You're saving time. Time is money. You can go in and out of there within a half an hour. If you're not, 30 to 40 minutes. Me, 30 minutes because I'm quick, I'm fast, I know what I'm doing. Okay, and with the S8 Plus, if you want to make more profit, you can bump that up to $200. I know you can, people still pay that. Why not? $200 to get their Galaxy S8 screen fixed, why wouldn't they pay that? Okay, so here we go. The Note 8. If you send your Note 8 to them, like this, with the frame, with cracked glass only, they're gonna charge $100 to refurbish it for you. $175, and then it would charge $100 for them to refurbish it, would give you a $75 profit. I think you need to make more than that. You can easily jump that up because it's a Samsung Note 8, because everybody else is charging at least $300 for a screen repair. You can bump that up to $200. You bump that up to $200, that gives you a $100 profit, because you're paying them $100 to do the work for you. You get it back, and so $100 profit, not bad. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. If you guys have any questions at all, write them in the comments, or once again, message me on Instagram, direct message me. I pretty much answer to everybody, as you can tell from my comments. Okay, so I forgot to add in there, you will start offering glass only repair after you get your screens back from the refurbishing place. Then when someone comes in with a glass screen that only needs to be replaced, you have a bunch of these. You'll have a bunch of these already ready to go. And then when they come in, you'll replace their screen like this with a new refurbished one like this. And you just get these, and you just keep repeating the process. You keep collecting these, and then you keep your rotation going. You mail it off to them, you save a bunch of them, you mail it off to them, and then the whole cycle of how everything works, it'll just keep flowing together. You guys get that? Does that make sense? Of course, if somebody comes in with a damaged display screen, this doesn't work, just fix their screen with one of these, because these are a little bit cheaper to get, and then you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so if you like my videos, or this video has helped you, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, or any questions, just comment below. Add me on Instagram too. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later.